Okay, first question. A car decelerates uniformly to rest. Okay, so decelerates uniformly. What does it mean? That means the acceleration or deceleration is seen to be constant and to rest. Okay, now let me write down the diagram. It's always good to write the diagram. Okay, now this is the car which is moving otherwise. From an initial velocity v, so at t equal to 0, the initial velocity is seen to be v equal to v over here, u equal to v here, u equal to v here. To a velocity v by 2, to a velocity v by 2, to a velocity v by 2, it covers a distance d. It has covered a distance d in a time t seconds. Okay. How much further does it travel before coming to rest? Now, still it is moving. It is moving and it comes to rest somewhere over here. The velocity is 0 here. 0 here. The final velocity is 0. And it travels an extra distance of, I do not know what is this, let us say x over here. Okay, he's asking you, what is this value of x? That's the question. Now, how do we solve this? Now, what we do is, since a equal to constant, the first thing that should come to our mind is, whenever a equal to constant, we can use equations of motion. Now, there are three equations of motion. Which equation will you use? V equal to u plus at? No, because the time is not given over here, so there is no point in using that. Then we can use v square equal to u square plus 2as. You can always use, because you know, v square is known, final velocity v is known, initial velocity v is known. Okay, and as a result of it, distance s is known, so a is constant. We can use this. Now, let us start with this. So v square, let me write down v square equal to u square plus 2as. For v final velocity, I'll write this as v by 2 the whole square is equal to u, which is v square plus 2a into d over here. So if I simplify this, what will I get? I get v square by 4 is equal to v square plus 2ad. In other words, I will write here as 2ad is equal to, I'll push this v square on the other side. It becomes a minus 3v square divided by 4, right? V square by 4 minus v square will be minus 3 by 3v square divided by 4. Okay, you can try doing this one. I just simplified it directly. This is equation number 1. Now I will apply the same equations of motion for this part also. So what will it is here? What is the final velocity here? Once again, here it is 0. So for this one will become 0. 0 square is equal to, what is this velocity? This should be v by 2 the whole square, right? V by 2 the whole square plus 2a, and now this is not d, this is x over here, because I need to find the value of x. So therefore I will write 2ax is equal to, this becomes a v square by 4. When I push it on the other side, it becomes a minus v square by 4. Now I have 2ad, let me write the second equation. 2ad is equal to so much, 2ax equal to so much. What should I do? Divide one by the other. So therefore, so this is what I need. I will write 2ax divided by 2ad is equal to minus v square by 4 divided by minus 3v square by 4. So 4, v square, negative goes away. So what is remaining? Only 1 by 3. Okay, here what is going on? 2a goes away. I have x by d is equal to 1 by 3, or x equal to d by 3. So x equal to d by 3, b is the right answer.